From a cramped textile stall in Frankfurt to the gilded boardrooms of global finance, the Rothschild dynasty weaved a narrative of unparalleled wealth and whispered influence. Their ascent, etched in ink and gold, is a saga of ruthless ambition, shrewd calculation, and a web of connections spun across continents. Today, we unravel the threads of their rise, from textile trader to titans of finance, asking, did the Rothschilds merely wield wealth, or did they shape the very fabric of history? Mayer Amschel, the patriarch, rose from the shadows of anti-Semitic laws, his keen eyes spotting opportunity in gold coins and antique trinkets. He wasn't content with scraps. He mastered the art of front-running, trading ahead of clients, his coffers fattening on both commission and profit. But textiles remained a gilded cage, confining his ambitions. Banking, with its air of legitimacy and whispers of power, beckoned. Sons were dispatched like chess pieces, establishing tentacles in Vienna, Paris, London. Nathan, the eldest, felt the crushing weight of legacy, his ambition mirroring the flames that once licked at Napoleon's empire. He saw war as a grotesque dance, its rhythm dictating the rise and fall of nations, and the Rothschilds, he vowed, would waltz to their own tune. The Duke of Wellington, desperate to fund his campaign against the Corsican emperor, found a willing partner in Nathan. With audacious moves, Nathan manipulated the foreign exchange market, his agents, a network of pigeons, horses, and couriers, faster than the clanging of swords, ensuring British victory and filling Rothschild coffers to overflowing. He became the richest man in the world, yet succumbed to mortality at 58, leaving a legacy both celebrated and vilified. The wheels of finance kept turning, greased by Rothschild gold. Commissions, a mere pittance, disguised the true engine of their wealth: information and speed. They stayed a step ahead, whispering deals in gilt-edged rooms, their secrets like smoke, impossible to grasp. Lionel, another son, sought legitimacy beyond bullion. He entered the lion's den of British politics, battling prejudice with wealth, buying press, and eventually securing a seat in Parliament. His ascension was a masterstroke, blurring the lines between banking and government, weaving the Rothschild story into the very fabric of the nation. Across the Atlantic, Junius Morgan, a shrewd financier, recognized the symphony of war and money. He capitalized on American anxieties, securing the Rothschilds' foothold in a burgeoning economic giant. Meanwhile, the House of Rothschild, no longer a single entity, stretched its tendrils to India, Egypt, financing railroads, canals, the arteries of a globalized world. Yet, whispers of a darker narrative began to circulate. Anti-Semitism reared its ugly head, fueled by conspiratorial whispers. Hitler's rise to power ripped through Europe, his shadow choking Jewish businesses, including the Rothschild banks in Germany. Family members fled, their losses both financial and personal, a stark reminder of the precariousness of their position. Today, the House of Rothschild, a private club, operates in the shadows, their wealth measured in influence, not headlines. They whisper with governments, finance mega-projects, their legacy a cipher, a blend of admiration and suspicion. They prioritize the long game, eschewing flashy displays for the quiet hum of power. So, were the Rothschilds merely money changers, masters of a gilded game? Or were they puppeteers, pulling the strings of empires, their influence woven into the tapestry of history? The answer, perhaps, lies not in their wealth, but in the whispers that follow them, a symphony of admiration and scorn, power and prejudice. It is a question that echoes across centuries, demanding that we examine not just the rise of a dynasty, but the very values that shape our world. This, then, is not just the story of the Rothschilds, it is a reflection of ourselves. As we delve into their triumphs and tribulations, we confront our own biases, our anxieties about wealth and power, and the enduring struggle for equality. Ultimately, the legacy of the Rothschilds is not a definitive answer, but a mirror reflecting the complex mosaic of humanity itself.